Oh, you're getting the Christmas tree box. I don't think it will fit back in there after the...
Why not?
Because you have to bunch the branches back together.
They'll bunches that go in.
Oh, I never thought of that. What?
What is this?
What? Gabriel's belt that he wanted to leave probably on purpose.
Do you want to keep these cards?
What cards?
These cards.
Yeah.
Here.
Here, let me go. Thank you.
American Girl box, right?
Yeah.
Where are we going to put it?
I don't know.
I don't know either, but we can't leave it sitting here.
Yeah, in case I have to return her.
Huh? No. You ain't going to return her.
Okay, I have all 52 cards. Is that all you're coming in here for right now? Okay. It's like this, and I forgot that. I forgot I'm doing a vlog 2 in 1 day. I don't care. I want to, and that's how I'm gonna do it from now on. If y'all yell at me, in the comments, you are going to be sorry like you were never born. I am serious. I am eating. There's so much food left. The Cheetos are my snackies. This is what they look like. Hold on, find the camera. Now there they look little specks in it. Okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty much. I probably don't know why I left my hands like the earrings down. Stop it. We got a naughty on the naughty list. No, not on the nice list. I'm nice. Except for people who be mean to me. Like, Kate Thomas was. He said I was rude, but we made up. Chair. This is a little one. It's so cute. Look how small it is. It's smaller in person. Yeah, this is a short ball back. Bye. If you're wondering what this chair is from, this is from Walmart. Every single thing I have right now is from Walmart. If you want to buy it, just look around for it. Bye. Toodles.